beach for this evening. I'm only here for a couple of hours. I've purposely only brought out 2 batteries, so I will only be for a couple of hours. Otherwise I'll end up being here till dark. I'm back at Greatstone and I'm back on the Legend. I thought I'd give the Legends a run out again, as I've missed using it, to be fair. So there you go, there's my beach. I don't intend covering all of it. I will just be selective on where I go, and hopefully we can find a few bits. Right, that's a 14, whatever's in there. Oh, well, there you go. Shit to start with. 11, I know what that is. Another one of them bloody things. Strange. Never used to pick them up at all. It's 2 in 2 holes. A variety of numbers. And 50-50 on the scale. It's come out at 45 now. It was 28, 29. Oh, bottle cap. That's what that's going to be. Bottle cap it is. Another guy metal detecting. Surface find. Surface find, 1 penny. You alright?
What you found, anything?
Nah.
None of old crap?
Yeah. A lot more crap than I normally find.
Eh?
A lot more crap than I normally find.
Yeah, you know why they've pulled this Sam White in?
Yeah. Oh, you was at the Detectiveville.
Yeah.
What's his name, wasn't
you? You won the fucking detective.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I've been out with that all week.
Yeah,
I didn't realise you was down here.
Yeah, I'll get all over the place, mate.
So
yeah,
I was like, fucking hell, I recognise.
Yeah, because you've had your hair cut, haven't you?
Yeah.
Since then?
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you, alright?
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh, yeah, that was a touch of luck because you won a pinpoint and all, didn't you?
Yeah, I've not even used them.
Oh. Yeah, I don't like lightning. Don't mind rain, don't mind thunder.
I knew lightning was coming, so.
Did you? Well, I'm going to run up there and do a little bit.
Yeah. All right.
Nice talking to you,
yeah, and yourself.
No. Anyway.
Yeah.
Oi, oi. In case you want to use it.
Yeah.
Right.
No worries.
Speak to you soon,
Yes,
mate.
no problem at all. All right, see you later. Nice to see you again.
And you, bub. Take
All right, see ya.
care. Later. First bit of bling. First bit of bling.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Little earring. Be nice if it's a big fat diamond. Looks like a big fat zirconium. That's all right, mate. A treasure's a treasure. Yeah, little earrings. Shame I can't find the other one. See you in a bit. I'll leave you that soft bit because I've got to head back.
Yeah, no worries. See you later.
I'll see you a bit.
All right. $20p. What was that coming at? Oh, 27, 28. P. Go all that time in nothing. And just as I'm about to go home. 42. It's just off the surface. Oh, I fucking can. The reality. $31, $32. $20p. $42, $43. In a scoop. Pound coin. 43, 44. Oh. Another squid. I wonder why they'd want a 42, 43. Don't know. 31, 32, but it's 50, 50. $33. Out. Oh. Bit iffy. I don't know if there's two signals there or not. Got a bit of an iffy signal and I've got a nice signal. Nah, bloody bottle cap.